ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स. ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स क्या है? द ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स is a ranking of foods based on the postprandial blood glucose response compared with a reference food, or the ability of the food item to raise the blood sugar is measured in terms of glycemic index. सरल शब्दों में कहें तो ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स GI कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स युक्त खाद्य पदार्थ की एक रैंकिंग या माप है जिससे यह पता लगाया जाता है कि भोजन में मौजूद कार्बोहाइड्रेट कितनी देर में ग्लूकोज बनता है। इसको हम ऐसे भी समझ सकते हैं कि कार्बोहाइड्रेट को खाने के बाद किस गति से खून में शुगर की मात्रा बढ़ती है, उसी के अनुपात में रैंकिंग की जाती है। क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स. It is classified into three types: high, medium, and low glycemic index foods. High glycemic index, it ranges between 100 to 70 glycemic index. Foods containing carbohydrates that break down quickly during digestion, causing rapid rise in blood sugar levels and blood sugar fluctuations. Medium glycemic index, 69 to 55 glycemic index. Carbohydrates that break down moderately यानी मध्यम गति से टूटते हैं ड्यूरिंग डाइजेशन एंड कॉज मॉडरेट राइज इन ब्लड शुगर इन द ब्लड स्ट्रीम. लो ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स, 55 to 0. Carbohydrates that break down slowly during digestion, releasing sugar gradually into the bloodstream. I have already discussed about the glycemic index, its definition and its classification. Now we will discuss about the high glycemic index foods. So, high glycemic index foods like sugars in cereals, white rice, bread, refined flour, maida, wheat. In vegetables like white potato, pumpkin, root vegetables are high in glycemic index. Fruits like grapes and banana are high in sugars. Others like cakes, cornflakes, cookies and jaggeries are high in glycemic index. So medium or moderate glycemic index fruits includes fruits like papaya, cantaloupe, pineapple, raisins. Unrefined cereals like brown rice, muesli, rye, basmati rice. Vegetables like yam, beetroot, sweet potato are moderate GI foods. Low GI foods. Cereals like barley, oat, bran, quinoa, corn, whole wheat, dalia are low in glycemic index. You can include if you are having diabetes. Pulses like green gram, chickpea, soya bean, kidney bean, etc. Vegetables ladyfinger, green beans, onions, cabbage. These are included. Fruits like apple and oranges, kiwi, pomegranate. Dairy products like milk and curd. Nuts and seeds like sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, almonds.